Hi, my name is Ismin. I'm the founder of House 2073 series. And in this video, I'll guide you on the processes it takes to create your own animation or your own ad. So let's get started. The first stage of this process is the consultation call. This is where we get to know you and your vision, what you are aiming at. In this stage, I like asking these two questions. What we regard as success for this project, and how do you plan on measuring your success? This will set the right stage for success and also a right stage for us to measure this success. This call will generally be like a chat where we get to know each other and where we get to brainstorm on the ideas. The second stage of this process is where my company will send you a form. This form will dive into more details about the project, like the character style, the animation style, the length of the video, and so on. Once that information is filled, the form will be sent back to us and we move to the next stage. The next stage will be the signing of contract. Someone from my team will reach out to you and send you a contract, which you will then read and sign it and send it back to us. This will kick up the creation process. So the next stage will be scripting. So either you have your script, which you send to us, and we make it animation ready or ad ready, or we create a script for you. If you don't have a script, we'll create a script for you that will spell out the blueprint of the animation. This is where we will create the characters, the actions, basically everything it takes for the animation to come to life. The next stage will be creating the character itself. So this character can be a cartoon character or a human character. All depending, this will be the same process. In this stage, we will send you two samples to select one. In this stage, you can decide to change the character's looks, the character's clothing, skin tone, whatever you want. These adjustments will be made in this stage. Storyboard. We have two types of storyboard. We have storyboards for animation, which is this, and we also have storyboard for ads, which is this. This storyboard tends to give the client, that's you, a visual understanding of the entire animation. This is the first stage where the visuals start coming to life. And in this stage, adjustments will be made to ensure we create a story that best tells your vision. So the next stage will be recording the character voices. So here we use tools like 11 Lab, or we get a professional voiceover artist to create this voice for us. So either ways, this will depend on the nature of the project, the budget of the clients, and the time frame. After we're done with that, then we'll move to the animation. So this is where the fun begins. This is where we put everything we have done previously and give it life. In this stage, we will create the character, movement, lip sync, and the environment. Everything comes to make sure the images comes to life through the animation process. So this is where everything comes to life to create the video. After we're done with this, we will send you a sample where you will take a look at it and give us your feedback. We'll take this feedback and we'll make the corrections as necessary. Once we're done, we send you back the video, which will take a look and ensure that everything aligns with your vision. Once that is done, then we have the final video. I hope this video was straightforward, and I hope to see you on the initial call. Thank you very much for taking this bold step to create your vision. We are here to help, and in case you need any clarification on anything, please do reach out to me. And that'll be all for now. See you on the next one. Bye.